Possible to earn passively via the writing of ebooks. Yes, with so many reviews on Amazon KDP of people like you and I who have changed their life and transformed their bank accounts via writing of ebooks, there is no better time than now to dive into that field. And this is a no-brainer. It requires no special skill, just your time and the use of AI tools, and you have your book ready for sale. Okay, so in this video, I'll be taking you through 4 processes of writing and selling an ebook. Beside the river, children play. The laughter dances with the day, skipping stones and catching dreams. In the sun's warm golden beams, splashing, laughing free. Hey everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. Once again, it's that girl Annabelle for G. In case you're seeing this face for the first time, please like, share, and subscribe. And to all my subscribers and my returning viewers, I love you. God bless you. So today we'll be looking at how to write an ebook, and we'll be focusing on children's ebook. Okay, so for this video, I'll be taking you through 4 stages or 4 processes. So first and foremost, we'll go to ChatGPT, and with ChatGPT, we'll generate our idea. We'll give ChatGPT a prompt to give us 10 ideas or 10 best-selling topic for children's story. So ChatGPT will give us 10 different ideas now of 10 different topics for children's story. Now we'll choose one. Now for the purpose of this video, I'll be focusing on children's Christian children's story or Christian children's story. Okay, so ChatGPT will give us 10 different stories based on Christian stories. Now we'll choose one. The first one, the brave shepherd boy. Okay, so with this, still on ChatGPT, we'll tell ChatGPT to generate an outline or to generate an outline for us for this book. Now ChatGPT generates the outline, and we also tell ChatGPT with the outline ChatGPT has generated, we'll tell ChatGPT to develop each of those outline, to turn these outlines into chapter. So ChatGPT will turn the outlines to chapters. It will give us the outlines, to make it chapter by chapter in order for it to be easy for us to write. It's just a copying and pasting and we'll tell ChatGPT to generate an outline for the brave little shepherd boy. Now here ChatGPT is generating an outline. So we can see introduction, the main character David, a young shepherd boy. Briefly describe David's daily routine for caring for his family sheep. Okay, show David's strong faith and how he often prays and sings to God while watching the sheep. Describe how David talks to God. So we have the outline now. So for each of this outline, we'll tell ChatGPT to script it out or write in chapter now. So for the first one, introduction to the main character. So tell ChatGPT to give us since it's a children's story book, it does not need to be too lengthy. So we can introduce the main character, a young shepherd boy. Now we go to being image creator to get a young shepherd, the picture of a young shepherd boy. So here we add being image creator. Now we go to a young shepherd boy. Okay. A young shepherd boy running in the forest. Okay. So let me see if I'll go with these images or create. Okay, this is better. So I'll choose this as the character of my David. I'll copy this now. Copy the image, and I'll go to Canva to first paste it. So here in Copilot, so you have different sizes. You have 5 by 5, and times 8.5, you have 6 by 9, you have 8 by 10, you have 8.5 by 11. That's a vertical form. You have 8 point 5 times 8.5. So I guess, and this is a square format. So I would love to go with this square format. This square format will give me better space, so we can see background 8.5 by 8.5. So from here we start designing. So you can see add to page. This is our page 1, the first page. So we'll go back to the image creator to generate, to copy and paste the image we generated earlier. See our page 1 here. The boy David running in a forest. Okay. So that page 2. The image of David, the shepherd boy, guiding his sheep. So we'll now add to page. Okay, so we'll go back to ChatGPT. We'll copy the prompt. Now we've done page 2, 3. That's page 3. David has a strong faith in God. He believed that God was always with him, protecting him and his sheep. David often talked to God, asking for guidance and strength. So we'll copy this and we'll go over to this thing now, Canva. We'll paste, and also it says David kneeling in prayer by a stream. So we have copied our text from ChatGPT to Canva. David has a strong faith in the Lord. So we'll go over to the image generator. Look for the image of a boy sitting or kneeling down and praying to God. So let's delete the former prompts and put in a new prompt. Okay, create a new prompt. So go to ChatGPT, copy the prompts. Put this prompt in ChatGPT now. ChatGPT, go over to the image creator, Bing image creator. I paste. Our image is created. Okay, yes. Here we have our image. So this is much more better. This looks closer like the David we've been using. So I'll go for this. This will look more like David. I copy image. I'll go back to Canva and I'll paste. So we can see it over here now. This is David praying. We'll enlarge. I might decide to change this background color. It's looking too dull. Although the rural area depicts a kind of dullness, I would not expect a bright color for a rural area. A shepherd boy. Still too dull. Okay, so we'll settle with this. So we have our page 1. Let's adjust the text a little. In a small village, we can see in a small village nestled in the hills of Bethlehem lived a young shepherd boy named David. He was kind and gentle. He loved to sing a song and play his harp while watching over his family's sheep. So we can set this, reduce it a little. So page 1, page 2, and page 3. So we'll add another page for our page 4. So we'll go over to ChatGPT, copy. I'll go over ChatGPT now, page 4. Page 4, that's the lion attack. One sunny afternoon, while David was playing his harp, a fierce lion appeared from the bushes. The lion roared and charged the flock, causing the sheep to scatter in fear. So we'll copy this and paste, I'll go back again. I would paste. So you can see it. So let's go and generate our character. Go back to ChatGPT. Copy the prompt for the character now. The prompt for the character says a dramatic scene with the lion emerging from the bush, roaring, while sheep run in different directions and David stands protectively in front of them. Let's see. So a dramatic scene with the lion emerging from bushes. So let's see if the image generator will give us this exact prompt. Okay, so this is our image, and this is a very good. Oh, but this is not a young boy. Wow. This is a man. This is not a young boy. Okay, this looks like a young boy now. Copy image. Go back to Canva. Yeah. So let's paste our image. Okay. Okay, so we can see. One sunny afternoon, while David was playing his harp, a fierce lion appeared from the bushes. The lion roared and charged at the flock, okay, causing the sheep to scatter in flee. So this is page 6 now. We've gone to page 1. In a small village nestled in the hills of Bethlehem lived a young shepherd. Page 2. Every morning, David would lead the sheep to the green pastures, making sure they have had enough to eat. Then page 3. David had a strong faith in God. He believed God, and he believed that God was always with him. Then page 5 now. One sunny afternoon, while David was playing his harp, a fierce lion appeared. Okay, so this page 5 on page 6. Okay, so let's add another page. That's our page 7. Now we'll go over to ChatGPT. So page 7, I'll paste. Go over to Canva and paste it now. Canva. Okay, paste. So we have our list. We will keep repeating the same process of copying and pasting until we get to the 10th page. No. This is the last image I generated. So far this is the images we used. So here we are trying to get a book cover for our book, and I choose this. Okay, so I have to delete this, change the background and color, change it to green, give it a green, and try to share. Click on okay, I already have everything here. To flip our pages now, we'll click on share. So when we click on share, instead of downloading, we'll click on more, Clicking on more will give us different options of pages flip book or companies that flip the pages of books. So we'll choose either or anyone that suits us. We have Hazing, we have simple booklet. So I'm working with Hazing. So you can see that Hazing is processing the flipping of the book. Now we'll click on save. After clicking on save, we'll now go to preview the book. So you see that the pages of the books are flipping. This gives us a preview of what our book looks like. So with this, our book is ready now for publication. So in our next video, we'll go the extra mile to look at how we can publish our book in any of the marketplaces, maybe Amazon KDP or Google Play
excited
Book.
because I love what I'm seeing here right now.
This is lovely.
Okay, this is just an ebook I just created, and this is an ebook, children bedtime story book, The Brave Shepherd Boy, especially for Christians. Okay, flip over the first one, David's daily routine. Second page, the brave little boy, the lion attack. This is lovely.
Splashing, laughing, free as air, joyful moments.